Welcome to Dad English.
Today, we're sharing a real story.
What happened to you, Grace?
People laughed when I spoke English.
That must have hurt.
Yes, I felt really bad.
Where did it happen?
At my first office meeting.
Were you ready?
I thought I was.
What did you say?
I said a simple hello.
And they laughed?
Yes, they laughed at my pronunciation.
That moment stayed with you.
Yes, for a long time. But that moment made me stronger.
And today, we help you speak with confidence.
This lesson will help you speak clearly and confidently.
Today, we focus on the simple present tense.
This tense is very important in daily life.
We use it every single day.
Don't feel nervous.
We will learn slowly, step by step.
Speak with us during the lesson.
Repeat after us loudly.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes help you grow.
Take a deep breath.
Let's begin together.
What is the simple present tense?
It talks about daily routines.
It talks about habits.
It talks about general facts.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Example, she drinks coffee every morning.
We use the base form of the verb.
But with he, she, and it, we add s.
This rule is very important.
Small s, big difference.
Listen carefully and practice with us.
You can do this.
Antony, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every day.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I don't wake up early on weekends.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my phone quickly.
Many people do the same thing.
Yes, it is a common habit.
Now, students, answer this question. Think for 5 seconds. Say your answer out loud.
What time do you wake up?
Repeat after me.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I go to work at 9.
Very good.
Now say it alone. Think for 5 seconds and speak clearly.
Confidence grows when you speak.
Keep practicing every day.
Now we focus on he, she, and it.
I work, you work, we work.
But he works, she works, it works.
For he, she, and it, the verb changes. We add s.
She drinks coffee.
He plays football.
The baby cries at night.
My manager speaks English.
Do not forget the S.
Practice this rule many times.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and attend meetings.
Does your manager speak English?
Yes, she speaks English very well.
Does she give you feedback?
Yes, she gives me helpful advice.
Good communication builds success.
English helps in the workplace.
Now let's learn negative sentences.
I do not drink soda.
Or, I don't drink soda.
She does not eat junk food.
Or, she doesn't eat junk food.
In daily conversation, we usually say don't and doesn't.
Remember, after does not, no S.
She doesn't go, not she doesn't goes.
Very important correction. How do we make questions?
We use do and does.
Do you play football?
Yes, I do.
Does he work on Sunday?
No, he doesn't.
Practice asking questions at home.
Ask your friends simple questions.
Listen carefully.
Works.
Drinks.
Plays.
The S sound is clear and strong.
Practice in front of a mirror.
Your mouth movement matters. Let's talk about lunchtime.
Yes, lunch is important in daily life.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. every day.
Do you eat at home or at work?
I usually eat at work.
What do you usually eat?
I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Do you drink soda with lunch?
No, I don't drink soda. I drink water.
That is a good habit.
Yes, healthy food gives me energy.
Students, answer this question. Think for 5 seconds. Say your answer clearly.
What do you eat for lunch?
Now let's talk about your evening.
Evenings are relaxing for many people.
What do you do after work?
I go home and take a shower.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner for my family. Family time is important to me.
What do you usually cook?
I cook simple and healthy meals.
Do you watch television at night?
Yes, I watch TV for 1 hour.
Do you study English in the evening?
Yes, I study English before I sleep.
That is excellent discipline.
Practice makes progress.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies make life interesting.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books and listen to music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton on weekends.
Does your brother play sports too?
Yes, he plays football every Saturday.
Notice the S in plays.
He plays, she plays, it plays.
Students, say 3 hobbies now. Think for 5 seconds. Say them clearly.
Speaking helps you remember.
Simple present also talks about facts.
Facts are always true.
The sun rises in the east.
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
The earth moves around the sun.
Birds fly in the sky.
These are general truths.
We use simple present for them.
Now say one fact about your country. Think for 5 seconds. Say it clearly.
Very good. Keep practicing.
Now let's fix common mistakes.
Many students forget the S.
Wrong. She go to work.
Correct. She goes to work.
Wrong. He don't like coffee.
Correct. He doesn't like coffee.
After doesn't, use base verb.
No extra S after doesn't.
Practice these corrections daily.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Now, listening practice.
Listen carefully. I wake up at 6. I drink coffee. I work in an office. I eat lunch at 1. I go to bed at 10.
Now repeat all 5 sentences. Think for 5 seconds and speak clearly.
Excellent listening practice.
Now it is your turn to speak.
Answer these questions loudly.
What time do you wake up?
What do you need for breakfast?
Where do you work or study?
What do you do in the evening?
What hobby do you enjoy?
Great job. Speaking builds confidence.
Quick answers now.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Does she work on Sunday?
No, she doesn't.
Do they play football?
Yes, they do.
Excellent energy.
Keep your brain active. Let's review today's lesson.
We use simple present for routines.
We add S for he, she, and it.
We use do and does for questions.
We use don't and doesn't for negatives.
After doesn't, use base verb.
Practice every day.
Daily practice builds strong English.
You finished a full English lesson.
That is a big achievement.
English grows step by step.
Small sentences create big confidence.
Speak every day without fear.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Progress is more important than perfection.
Every day you practice, your English becomes stronger.
We believe in you.
Keep learning and keep speaking.
See you in the next Dad English lesson.